The Samsung Z Fold 6 is about to come out, and Samsung is saying it will have a lighter and wider design, which sounds great. However, the high price is causing a lot of discussion. Why is this phone so expensive, and is it worth the cost? Let's look at what makes the price so high and why people are talking about it so much. Samsung's lead in the foldable phone market is getting smaller, so I expected big improvements with the Samsung Fold 6. But aside from a slightly wider screen, there isn't much that's new. Despite this, the latest Samsung foldable phone is going to be quite expensive. It's $100 more than the Z Fold 5, even though the storage and RAM options are the same. Honestly, Samsung has a big edge with the S Pen supported display. Before talking about that, let's focus on the price first. Pixel Fold and OnePlus Oppo are giving Samsung tough competition worldwide. You can get a Pixel Fold with the same memory for half the price of a Z Fold 6. Yes, half the price for the same type of foldable phone. Now let's talk about the S Pen. It's a neat feature, but it also makes the Z Fold 6 even pricier. Samsung sells the S Pen separately for about $55. If you want to carry it around, you'll need a special case that costs at least another $100. So to get the full Z Fold 6 experience, you'll be spending around $2,400. For that price, you could buy a Chinese foldable phone and a high-end regular phone. Here's the thing for all the S Pen fans. The small upgrades on the Z Fold 6 don't matter much if you use a case to carry the pen. What's the point of the new colors if you can't see them under the case? Yes, the Z Fold 6 is a bit thinner than last year's model, but once you put on the S Pen case, it's bulky again. This makes me wonder if upgrading to the Z Fold 6 is really worth it. What do you think? Finally, the next Galaxy Unpacked teaser is here. It seems that this summer's Galaxy Unpacked event is set for July 10 at 10 p.m. KST. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed these details, they appear highly reliable and accurate. Finally, the official countdown has been started. Even Blast has shared a GIF on Twitter featuring an official countdown timer for the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. According to the timer, the event is scheduled for July 10, 2024 at 10 o'clock p.m. KST. This timer appears to be hosted on a Samsung webpage that is currently inactive. What's exciting about this latest leak from Evan Blass is that it includes a working countdown clock. This clock can help pass the time until Samsung officially announces all the details about the Unpacked event. As of now, there are less than 24 days left until the event. Are you excited for the Z Fold 6? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.